I need this house. This is, wow. Look at these people. Even their cactus match. I love it. Sign, walls, decorations, windows. Oh, they've even got film in there like stained glass. The bench is stained. Pretty sure those come in concrete. Love the little, and that's a crepe myrtle, a white one. Crepe myrtle, all the pink ones. Crepe myrtle, white. Look at the trunk on that crepe myrtle, aren't they beautiful? They really are other people's plants. Here we go with this beautifulness. I hope mine grow up to look like this someday. So pretty. I mean, they don't stay this way all summer. That's what little shoots do. Nice. Oh, and there's a volunteer yellow bird of paradise, which I need to get those seeds planted I told you about. I should do that today. His planting of the heavenly bamboo is very deliberate to go with the color palette of his trim. Good job. This is how you just break up a flat front that Sarah escaped you doing some stones and make it level. Oh, aren't they? You know what I think that is? I don't think that's a weed. I think that's a desert willow. A volunteer. These are weeds. I don't know what kind. We're gonna move it right. It's not even 6 yet, but it's still warm. It's actually pretty good. It's in the 70s. I think I'm anticipating the heat more than another over 100-degree day. And I'm not even in Phoenix. Those poor souls. But I used to live there. Aren't these pretty? These had beautiful blossoms not too long ago. And now they've got the fruit. I think I've eaten that fruit in my youth. You gotta love the purple, don't you? I do too. Prickly pear. One's green, one's purple. Choya. This little fella. They can get really big. I've never seen a dead crepe myrtle, but I think that is one. The base is definitely crepe myrtle. And it's mid-July. Well, you see that pine? Imagine being the neighbor of the pine tree person. I mean, this is just solid, hello, solid needles everywhere. I guess you just give up. If that's how your neighbor's ruling, that's fine over there. Oh, I want to show you this home. I hate to film while somebody's there. They've even done their garage. Oh, I'm going to magnify that again. Let's see if I can right now. Oh, really? So beautiful. So festive. All I can think is, you must be happy. You must be happy, I'm saying. That's a healthy looking Ocotillo, nice and green. Oh, this house with the peaches, they're ripening. I don't know if she's going to harvest them this year. She didn't last year. I say she because I've seen a woman walk out. I would love my peaches to be so healthy. House with a pool. Yes, please. Oh, love. And the cottagey feel. I talked about this house before. The woman was pulling some of the vines, well, pruning them basically. She wasn't pulling them down. She said her husband liked them. That's just gorgeous for Arizona. Well, it's just gorgeous anyway, isn't it? a lot of people expand their drives here. A lot. Like almost all of them. It seems like a lot of houses were built where the driveway's in front of the garage and then there's no walkway from the sidewalk to the front door. A little bit like this, so you hang like a little loft to go in. What I found happened was delivery people and whatnot just walked across the so-called lawn, the landscaping. There is a man further back on the road, if you look at this gravel, and he's got "do not walk the gravel" or "please use the sidewalk." It's straight up gravel. And this is not this one, but back. And yeah, but every piece of gravel is pretty fastidious. I've seen inside his garage when he was working in there. I mean, it could be a hospital operating room. It's very clean, even though he works in there. There's another beautiful crepe myrtle. You know what's beautiful about this one is this fencing. This fencing really just accents it so nicely, doesn't it? It does something, I don't know what. Trimmed hedges. Good morning. Nice level gravel. Somebody's been keeping it tidy. Normally, weeds will pop up. So I'll show you right over here on the edge of their place. Weeds just will pop up. Somebody's been keeping this pretty subdued. Landscape fabric or not, weeds will pop up. Now these are cedar, not arborvitae, am I right? You know what, when I get back, I'll look this up, because they don't get any water, no doubt about that. Hey, hi there. Here's the mountains. Little bevy of quail actually flap their little wings to get up there. Now they'll just go in somebody's backyard without permission, fine. But that thing, right? Oh, PP. Other people's plants. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And this gorgeous, gorgeous lantana just doing its thing. You see how the crepe myrtle are insistent on forming shoots? And they're blooming. Oh, crepe myrtle. I had no idea. Oops, I don't want to be in the camera. How can I avoid this? Oh, there we go. Here's the weed problem. And what happens to me when I don't do something behind my wall. All right.